You're fine.
Hi. Here.
Yeah. Yeah, so you know something I'm not going over again? What? I am like very fast on experienced driver. Sean needs to get on board and have to sit back. And my stirrup not even full on my seat. I'm holding on to it. No, you're gonna fall.
Horses can like ladybugs flop their wings like 100 times. I don't know. Maybe. What? I said I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.
Put your head over there.
Maybe she read it in a book or something.
There.
Hello.
Talking to Chris.
Whoops. Sorry. That was my bad. Sorry.
Woo! Right. Hey, Maria, you ready to hop on?
No.
Hi!
Hi, Portia. Hi, Chris. Portia, you're so silly. Hey, Caleb.